Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial in which I'm going to introduce the programs section of the Healthier Happier Humans app, and I'm going to demonstrate how to complete and log your workout. So here I'll just open the programs section and I will go with something like a bodyweight circuit just to keep it nice and simple. I'll go with the beginner one. So I click on that to open it. I can see there's a workout there with 14 exercises. So this is the program screen where I could see a variety of workouts. This just has the one in it. So I click on that and this gives me an overview. It tells me there's two sections, which is exercise prep and then a circuit. There's 14 exercises in total and there's one circuit in here. So I click start down here at the bottom, and then up in the top right I've got two views. One is this list view, which you can see all the exercises listed. And the other is what we call the card view, where you can see one exercise at a time. Some people prefer the list view, some people prefer the card view. It's entirely up to you. When it comes to exercise prep or warm-up, you don't really need to record how many sets and reps you do. You can put notes in there, however, and that would just be done with this little pencil icon that you'd click on there, and you'd write the notes in there and then click save in the top right. On each exercise, you'll see that little zigzag line with the dots on it. That will show you any progress, any results, and we'll also plot a chart based on those. Obviously, I've not recorded any there, so there's no chart data available. The camera icon allows me to then record my own performance of an exercise if my coach or trainer has asked me to do that, so I can demonstrate that I'm competent in that movement. And then the little icon there you would click, it will load this screen which shows you the exercise, usually from two angles, and also gives you a written description of how to perform the exercise, usually in 4 or 5 steps: how to set up, how to perform, and then how to exit the exercise, as it were. And so in this list view I can just scroll down and I can go through each one at a time. I've got a little stopwatch in the bottom right, which if I click on, brings up these options of stopwatch, timer and intervals. So stopwatch is obviously just starts counting from 0 and goes up. You'd start and reset. Timer, you can set that and then it will count down. And intervals, you would set these for a work period, a rest period, and then how many times that you want that to repeat. So that could be something like 20 seconds of work followed by 40 seconds of rest, and you might want to do that 8 times. Okay. I'll take you into the card view because I find that much more useful myself. So in this card view, I'd swipe across right to left. I perform each of these. If I'm unsure what I need to do there, I can click on the video and it'll start playing. I can full screen it if I want, and I can leave any notes. I can see there that I'm to perform one set of 10 to 15 reps. Okay. There I can see, again, one set of 10 to 15 reps, click the video. I can see at the top it says set 1 of 1, but I already know it's just one set. So these are all my mobilizations, movement preps, or warm-up movements. And so scrolling through those, you will see that it comes to a point where I've completed the warm-up or the movement prep, and now it's telling me that I need to complete these exercises as a circuit. So that means no rest or back-to-back, but we'll see if there's any prescribed rest, which there is. So this bodyweight split squat, so I click there to see it demonstrated. I can see what that is, and I know there that I'm to perform 2 sets of 10 to 12 reps with 45 seconds of rest. But I know now that it's a circuit, so I want to perform this exercise and then it's going to be a different exercise. So here I would click the pencil icon, record how many reps I've done, any notes, click save in the top right, and then I would slide to the right, and I know it's kneeling press ups. Again, 10 to 12 reps. I would rest for 45 seconds and then I'm on to the next exercise, which is lying prone cobra on the floor. Again, 10 to 12 reps with those. I would record in the reps and then I'm going to scroll across, rest for 45 seconds in between, and again there. And so each one of these, you can see the rep range that's been prescribed, and you can see a rest period. And then getting through all of those, you'll see it now switches to set 2 of 2. And again, I would record these, and what you will find is when you click on your second set of an exercise, it will auto-populate the reps, so it will suggest how many reps. This doesn't mean it's recorded them, it's just saving you time entering them. So you would see at the end of that it would would chart them. And I can just demonstrate that now. If I was to record in here that I've done 12 reps there and then save, you would see that if I go back, last saved Tuesday 7th of March, down here at the bottom, reps 12. And then you can see I've got results on there, but there's not enough information to create a chart. Okay, and then once you come to the end of it and you've done all the exercises, you've recorded all those, you just exit the